Welcome back. All right, skipped a lot of steps here. Motor's back in the car. It's easier just not to film it and make sure everything's getting done right. So yeah, this is what she looks like in the car. Big Pulsar 7782, cheap China intake, sue me. This is where we're running the oil filter now instead of having it facing up, making a mess every time. Gonna go that way. That way it all drains down. Comes right to this oil cooler I mounted up right here. It's solid in there. Then it runs back under. See the lines are all kind of tucked up down there. It goes back underneath the intake to the sandwich plate. Catch can drains back into the pan. Eliminates blow-by issues. Colby and I are kind of going over it today. I have plenty of pump and kind of injectors too, but this little, it's kind of hard to see it. This little fuel pressure regulator is not going to work. So I'm going to have to get a bigger one, switch that. I might move it down there, but I also added a vacuum port, um, thing down there. So it's got 6 ports and everything runs in the same one. But yeah, we fired it today. Sounds good, sounds healthy. I ran the first one with only 1030 in it, just because I knew I was going to change right away to get some of the old shit out from before. So I've already changed the oil once, and it's definitely literally still, but that's just because I didn't have anything cleaned. I did cleaning in it, wasn't great. I'm also gonna watch this belt because it kind of looks like it's right on the edge of the cam gears. I don't think it's really anything too much to worry about because we have a car at the shop that's like that. But yeah, so hopefully get to see some driving content here soon, and then start putting some power to it. Really test out those the bead locks on here. But yeah, and then everything still works in here, man. The fuel gauge is working well. Just takes a minute to get up there. Fuel pump still loud as shit. But yeah, I mean, as long as this motor stays healthy, man, I think I'll be home fine all summer. I'm gonna do 2 or 3 more oil changes. It sucks because it's $90 for a fucking oil change, but I'm not trying to blow shit up because, quite frankly, I don't have money to pay for another motor. And if I do another motor, it's gonna be the best of the best. So we're gonna make this one last. This cold side piping is gonna get switched because it's hitting here. As you can see, the piping's all fucked. It's hitting down here. I don't really know what happens. It's kind of kinking this pipe right here. I don't know. I don't know what happens. Like, I don't know what changed, but I did finally add this blow off valve right here. Look at that, nice shitty welds up there. Yeah, courtesy of new boy. It's fine. But I'm gonna change all these to just hard couplers. Put one here on both sides of the intercooler, and then I'll have it come back up again. Have a hard coupler right up here off the throttle body, and then I'll have one right here. These right here. Let's see if I pull this out here. It's a vibrance. They're called like the tight radius turns. They're $80. Which sucks, but they're super well. And tight radius, so like you have that turn right here. Here's this one. Like it turns right away. So I'm gonna use one right here. And I'll cut it down. I put a hard clamp there and it goes straight down. It'll be perfect. And the other one, go down that way. Then I can do some welding. Need to work on it anyway. But then, yeah, I mean, it should be solid. Hopefully I'll get some video of it running here soon. Just waiting on a tune back. And then I don't know if I'll have driving in this video or not. We'll see. But hopefully this thing stays healthy so I can actually drive it this year. Looks good. Just mess with the tune a little bit. Messing with it. Hey! Hang on, buddy. Alright, good news is the motor is healthy. I'm making good oil pressure. It sounds good, nothing sounds out of place. The bad news is the transmission is fucked. Yeah, so I don't know if it's yeah, I don't know. We're definitely like missing teeth on some of the gears. So I'm gonna pull this out today. Gotta take that shifter out, raise it up, and it doesn't take too long to get it out. And then I got the Speedtek gear set here in this box. And then I got the billet main reinforcement place on it. There's billet shift forks in there. And hopefully, that's just 1 through 4 for the gear set. So hopefully, gears 5 in reverse, the synchros are still okay. But yeah, hopefully, get this back on the road quick. And I should be able to do a clutchless shifts with this gear set because it has dog engagement. So that should be sick. But until next time, we'll catch you later.